YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. We've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's AquaNaut 400 suction side pool cleaner. We are going to tear this thing apart from the outside in. Stay tuned. All right, guys, and we're back. So again, today we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's AquaNaut 400. This is their suction side pool cleaner. This is their 4-wheel cleaner. They also make an AquaNaut in the 2-wheel. The four-wheel is going to be meant for those deeper diving pools. It helps get that push up those slopes out of the deep end. So if you do have a deeper diving pool, you will want to make sure that you guys get the 4-wheel cleaner. As you guys can tell, it's completely stripped down than you saw it in the intro. So if you guys would like to know how I got here, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We do have a playlist ready for you guys on stripping this thing from the outside in. For today's video, you guys will need to take it down to where I'm at in order to get access, at least to the point where you remove the top shroud. Otherwise, you will not be able to get access into these back axles and bearings. So located on each side of these two back wheels, you guys will see there's an actual axle point here, as well as two bearings. The purpose of that is to help assist those back wheels in the process of this moving, to help that climb. So you will need to make sure that these are in good condition to be able to grab the teeth on the wheel itself. To remove them, again, take the shroud off, and from that point, it's really simple. You're just going to hit one side, and I like to come in here from the inside, and I'm just going to push it out. So you guys can see I pushed it out, and then you're going to go ahead and take that other bearing that didn't want to come out and push it out as well. So it will not allow you to push this thing through all the way to the other side of the frame, like internal, like where the wheel would be. It has to come out that outside edge, and the shroud itself will actually kind of cover that up. So if you guys don't remove that shroud, you're going to take the risk of breaking that shroud and then having to replace it anyways. So again, make sure you guys check out the links in the description below. We've got that playlist to walk you guys through how to get that shroud off. Really simple for you guys. But again, the purpose of this is just to help those back wheels move. It will need to make sure that there's no dirt and debris on these bearings. The good thing is they're not really directional, and the actual axles have a split already for you so that they won't join together. So you will need to put one on one side, one on the other, and then you're going to insert them both together from the outside till you hear that little click, everything sits flush. So you're going to want to do that on both sides to make sure that the wheels will grab for the front as well as the back, which just gives it that extra driving power to get it out of that deep end of your pool. So again, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We're going to have a ton of videos coming your way on this cleaner as well as all the other cleaners out there. I really appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.